Dear student, welcome to Khan Kingdom Smart Education online classes. In our previous video, we see the question on whole number, predecessor, successor, number lines. Now, taking question from exercise. In exercise 2.1, question number 5 is write the successor of these numbers. What is the successor? Successor is over next number. Successor is over next number. How to find out the next number? Next number can find out by plus 1, by adding 1. Successor of 2, 4, 4, 0, 7, 0, 1 is by adding 1, 2, 4, 4, 0, 7, 0, 1 plus 1. The answer is, when we add 1, this will be became 2. 2, 4, 4, 0, 7, 0, 2. The answer is 2, 4, 4, 0, 7, 0, 2. Next, successor of 1000199 is 1000199 plus 1. Successor will find out by plus 1. When 99 plus 1 is 100, so 100, 200. See there, 100,199, then plus 1, 1 and 9, 0, 1, 1 and 9, 10, then 1, 1 and 1, 2, 0, 0, 1. 100, 200 is our answer. Now, successor of 109999 is, successor is plus 1. So 109999 plus 1 is so successor of this number can find out by plus 1. Successor of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0 is, successor will find out by plus 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0 plus 1. The answer is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 70 plus 1, 71. So these are our answer. Taking question number 6, write the predecessor of this number. What is the predecessor? Predecessor is our previous number. How to find out the previous number? By subtracting 1, means minus 1. Predecessor of 94 is 94 minus 1, answer is 93. Predecessor of 10,000 is 10,000 minus 1, 999. This is our predecessor. Predecessor of 208090 is 208090 minus 1. You can subtract in rough copy 208089. 90 minus 1 is equal to 89. Predecessor of 7654321 is 7654321 minus 1. 21 minus 1 is 20. So 7654320. This is our answer. This is our question on successor and predecessor. Successor is our next number. We will find out by adding 1. Predecessor is our previous number. We will find out by minus 1 or subtracting 1. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. So student, our next question is question number 7. In each of following pairs of numbers, there are pair of numbers, there are two numbers. State which whole number is on left of the other number on the number line. Means situated these number on number line. So whose number is left side of number line and which number is right side of number line. So denote these numbers on number line. Also write them with appropriate sign of greater than and less than. This is the sign of greater than and this one is less than. Greater than and less than. Now taking question. This is our number line. For example, a number line is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is our left side and this is our right side. Left side and right side. We see this, the left side part having a smaller number. The left side having a smaller number and right side having larger number. The left side having a smaller number and right side having larger number. So the smaller number is 503 and larger number is 530. 503 is a small number, 530 is larger number, so small number taking left side and larger number is taking right side. This is our left side and this is our right side. Then another question. Also write them in appropriate sign. There are pairs of number 530 and 503. 530 is greater than. This is our larger number, so we use the sign of greater than. We use the sign of greater than. Now taking another question. This is a number line. Here we'll place two digits, one in left side, another in right side. In left side we place a smaller number, in right side we place larger number. So 307 and 370. 370 is larger number, so we will place here and 307 will be placed here. Write them with appropriate sign. The number is 370 and 307. 370 is larger number, so we place the sign of greater than. Write down a number line in this number line, this is our left and this is our right side. There are two numbers, very larger number. Take counting. Tens, ones, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. This is our 98 lakh. This is our 98 lakh. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 1 crore. This is our 1 crore. 98 lakh and 1 crore. 1 crore is larger number, so we will place here. And 98 lakh is smaller number, so we will place here. This is shown on a number line. Write them with appropriate sign. 9830415100230001. This is our larger number, so we will use sign. This number is less than this number. So you can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. So student, our next question is question number 8. Which of the following statements are true and which are false? First, 0 is the smallest natural number. Natural number will start from 1. There is no 0. So this is true. Statement is false, because smallest natural number is 1. The smallest natural number is 1. 400 is predecessor of 399. What is the predecessor? Predecessor is previous number. The previous number of 399. Predecessor of 399 is 399. How to find out predecessor? Previous number will find out by minus 1. 398, not the 400. So this is our false statement. C. 0 is the smallest whole number. Yes, this is true, because whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. The smallest is 0. 600 is successor of 599. Successor is our next digit. Next digit will be find out by plus 1. So successor of 599 is 599 plus 1 is equal to 600. Yes, 600. This is true statement. E. All natural number are whole number. First of all, natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Whole number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. All of the natural number is presented in whole number. So all the natural number are whole number. This is true. All the natural number will present in whole numbers. So take beginning from the question. Which of the following statement are true and which are false? Part A. 0 is the smallest natural number. The natural number is starting from 1. There is no 0. So smallest natural number is 1. Smallest natural number is 1. So this statement is false. 400 is predecessor of 399. Predecessor is our previous number which can find out by -1. So predecessor of 399 is 399 minus 1 is equal to 398, not the 400. So this statement is false. C. 0 is the smallest whole number. Whole number is 0, 1, 2, 3. 0 is the smallest. Yes, this is true. Whole number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0 is the smallest whole number. D. 600 is the successor of 599. Successor is the next digit, next number. How to find out the next number? By +1. Successor of 599 is 599 plus 1 is equal to 600. Yes, this is answer is true. Part E. All the natural number are whole number. Natural number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whole number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the natural number is present in whole number. So this statement is true. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next questions. So student, in question number 8, which of the following statement are true and false? Part F. All the whole number are natural number. Whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are whole numbers is situated at natural number, but 0 is not present in natural number. 0 is not present in natural numbers. So this statement is false. All whole number is not present in natural number. Next is the predecessor of 2-digit number is never a single digit number. Let it number line. 8, 9, 10. This is our first 2-digit number. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and so on. Now predecessor of 2-digit number. Predecessor of 15 is 14, 13, 12. This is also a 2-digit number. The predecessor of 11 is 10. 10 is 2-digit number which having predecessor is 9. 9 is a single digit number. 2-digit number having single digit number predecessor. So this statement is false. This statement is false because predecessor of is 9. Two-digit numbers predecessor is single digit number, so the statement is false. Next is 1 is the smallest whole number. Smallest whole number. Whole number will start from 0. So 0 is smallest whole number, 1 is not. The statement is false. 0 is the smallest whole number. Next one is the natural number 1 has no predecessor. Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Predecessor of 4 is 3, predecessor of 3 is 2, predecessor of 2 is 1. The predecessor of 1, there is no any smallest number, so 1, the 1 has no predecessor. True, because 1 is smallest natural number, so this has no predecessor. Let's take beginning from this question. All the whole numbers are natural number. All the whole numbers are natural number. Whole number are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Natural number are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These numbers is present in natural number, but 0 is not present in natural number. 0 is a whole number is not present in natural number, so all whole number are natural number. False. 0 is not present in natural number. Next, the predecessor of two-digit number is never a single digit number. Predecessor is our previous number. Let a number line. Predecessor of 15 is 14, 14 to 13, 13 to 12, 12 to 11. Predecessor of 11 is 10. Predecessor of 10 is 9. Predecessor of 10 is 9. 9 is a single digit. So two-digit number having a single digit number predecessor. So the statement is false. Next, 1 is the smallest whole number. The whole number will start from 0. So 0 is the smallest whole number. 0 is the smallest whole number, so this statement is false. Next, the natural number 1 has no predecessor. Natural number written from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Predecessor is previous number. Predecessor of 4 is 3, 3 to 2. Predecessor of 2 is 1. Predecessor of 1, there is no number. The 1 is the smallest number, so we cannot find the predecessor of 1. The statement is true. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next questions. So student, our next question is question number 8. Which one is true or false? The whole number 1 has no predecessor. Which are the whole numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These are the whole number. What is predecessor? Predecessor is our previous number. Predecessor of 4 is 3, 2 to 1 and then predecessor of 1 is 0. Predecessor of 1 is 0. So the whole number 1 having predecessor of 0, so this statement is false. The whole number 13 lies between 11 and 12. Between 11 and 12 there are no any whole number. 13 is right side of 12. in a number line 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. 13 is not between 11 and 12. So this statement is a false statement. The whole number 0 has no predecessor. Whole number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Predecessor of 4 is 3, predecessor of 3 is 2, predecessor of 2 is 1, predecessor of 1 is 0, predecessor of 0. No any previous digit in whole number. So the statement is true. This is our true statement. The whole number 0 has no predecessor. The successor of 2-digit number is always a 2-digit number. Which are that 2 digits number? We write down 2-digit number is 10, 11, 12, so on, 98, 99. These are the 2 digits number. These are our 2-digit numbers. What is the successor? Successor is our next digit. Successor of 10 is 11. 11 is 2-digit. Successor of 11 is 12. 12 is 2-digit. Successor of 98, 99. 99 is 2-digit. The successor of 99. Successor of 99 is, how to find the successor? This is finding by plus 1. So this is 100. 99 plus 1 is 100. 100 is 3-digit number. So the answer will not always a 2-digit number. The successor of 99 is 100. So this is our false statement. Now take question is, the whole number 1 has no predecessor. Whole number will start from 0. The predecessor says that previous number of 1 is 0. Predecessor of 1 is 0. So this statement is false. The whole number 13 lies between 11 and 12. This is a number line 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 not lie between 11 and 12. So statement is false. The whole number 0 has no predecessor. The whole number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Predecessor is previous number. In this number line 0 having no any previous number. So 0 has no predecessor. This is true. The successor of 2-digit number is always a 2-digit number. 2-digit number starting from 10 ending to 99. Successor is our next digit. The next digit of 10 is 11. This is 2-digit. The successor of 11 is 12. This is 2-digit. The successor of 99 is 98 is 99. This is 2-digit. But successor of 99, the successor of 99 plus 1 is equal to 100. 100 is a 3-digit number. So the answer will not always a 2-digit number. The statement is false. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next topic in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.